Well, I got a predicament here. I've been dealing with this fear for this whole job. I got dirty logs. I didn't realize I had that many dirty logs, and I have no debarker on my mill, and I don't even have a log wizard that goes on the front of your chainsaw. So I come up with another solution here. Now, you only want to do this if you have a bad chain on your saw, or you don't care about messing up a good chain. But here's what I come up with. And there you go. That's how we do it in redneck country. Sometimes you can use a hatchet, but I don't have any of that stuff available right now. So I had my smaller chainsaw with a worn out chain on it. Had some broken teeth on it already. So that's what I did with it. That worked out pretty good. It, for the most part, I hit the debark side all the way, and hey, I can sharpen my chains cheaper than I can sharpen my saw blades, so I go with the chain.